Our completely enclosed 4-foot by 16-foot dog runs are concrete with steel fencing. Each dog has indoor as well as outdoor shelter from the weather. Exercise is given in the enclosed exercise pen. Dogs in training are taken out daily. Boarding dogs are exercised twice daily. Dogs are fed and given any required medications on a daily schedule. Our training program begins with a strong emphasis on obedience. Basic obedience training includes sit, hear, heel, kennel, and no. Force fetching is then the next step. This is when the dog is taught to deliver to hand. This includes fetching, holding the bird, heeling to the side of the handler, and releasing the bird when the handler accepts it from the dog. After obedience and force fetching training, we move to the field. Our training grounds surround over 20 custom-built lakes which are designed for specific training purposes. We have access to many different fields, so dogs are shown all types of terrain in the various training situations. Different types of cover are used year-round. Field work normally begins with the single retrieve on land and water. Here we work on the mechanics of the retrieve, sending the dog on command, the whistle here after the pickup, heeling and delivering to hand. After the dog is proficient with the single retrieve, we move on to the double retrieve, adding another gunner and mark. Our goal is to develop the dog's marking and memory abilities. Once double marks are learned, multiple marks are then taught. Next, we move on to handling or blind retrieves. Land patterns are designed to teach the dog to run in a straight line and to build confidence with the line you send him on. We start with a 3-legged land pattern and then move up to advanced patterns. Then handling is transferred to the water by use of a 3-legged water pattern. As the dog is becoming proficient with pattern work, we add simple baseball and stopping on the whistle. Simple baseball is designed to teach the dog hand signals for over, both left and right, and back.
Back. Back.
Stopping on the whistle teaches the dog to stop, turn toward the handler, and wait for a signal to go left, right, or back. Walking baseball is used for teaching longer casts. We find that proper training of these procedures helps to produce a dog with a strong desire for blind retrieves. Blind retrieves are a necessity for field trialing and hunt tests. More and more hunters are learning that a dog that handles helps recover crippled and fallen birds the dog hasn't seen. The dog is first sent on a line towards the blind. The dog is stopped using the whistle and given hand signals for direction until the blind is retrieved.
Over.
We hope this video has given you a brief insight into our facilities, training program, and demonstrated what a trained dog is capable of doing. Feel free to write or call us for more information or an appointment for a tour of our facilities and training program.